Right, so quick video, kind of like a second part to the kind of primitive bow drill, whatever. And I can't remember who mentioned it, but someone mentioned using a nail as a drill bit, so that's what I'm going to try. So that's what I've got, a nail, and I've kind of just give it a bit of a go over with a file just to kind of make these edges a bit more prominent, if you know what I mean. See it there. Right, so I'm going to give that a go. But also, while I was here, if this focuses, while I was here I thought I'd make like a dedicated bow drill socket. You could use this on normal, you know, if you're using bow drill fires. And that's what I'm going to be using. I'll explain what this is in a minute. So it's a block of wood with a domed 1p in there. Oh, it never wants to focus, does it? Don't know if you can see that that's a 1p in there or not. Right, anyway, it's a domed 1p in there, in that middle part. And the reason for the hole is, I thought if you was carrying it, you could set it up like this. So you could have, that's your bow drill socket, the bottom part, and this hole is just to wrap some cord in. And that should be enough cord to make your bow with. So if you had that with you, that's two things you haven't got to contend with. You've got your bow drill socket and your bow drill cordage there ready to go, and it looks pretty nice as well, like that. Right, anyway, just thought I'd show you that. Right, so we'll give this a test. Now I haven't tried this yet at all. This is the first test of doing this. I've no idea whether this is going to work. Right, I need my safety glasses, I think, because this is pretty sharp. Alright, I'll just find those. So like I said, I've not tried this yet with the nail. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but we'll give it a go. Yeah, it pretty much did work. There it is coming out the other side. I'll just see if I can get it right through. If it don't go right through, then that's not a good thing, because I noticed one of the others didn't want to go right through before it gets to a certain point and just get stuck. Well, that's pretty much through. We'll try it again on another one here. Just one more time. Yes, that went through, all the way through. Alright, lovely. So I think, well, that worked lovely, and that works lovely as well. So I think that'd definitely be a cheap option for, you know, rather than messing all drill bits up. So like I said before, you know, some people might sit there and think, oh, what's the point in that, you know, if you know, most of my videos are about trap making, but obviously that would be very handy for quite a few different traps, especially your Jibwa bird's trap where you've got to drill a hole through the wood. You know, if you've got something like this, that's a lot easier, well, kind of easier than, you know, carving tons of wood away and then trying to chisel out a little hole. You could probably do that, you know, a lot quicker, I reckon. If you've got a nail, part of a nail or something or whatever, or that already made in a kit. You know what I mean? Right. Oh, and then that worked perfectly as well. I thought that worked pretty good. One less thing to make if you've got that. Right, anyway. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you later.